Hello everyone, this is Marzia Kobari. I'm second year PhD student in the horticulture and crop science building department. And I would say, as a highlight, I really was interested to take this course to get know how is the pathogen and pest symptoms and how can I diagnose them, particularly when I work in greenhouse or like in field, because sometimes it's really easy to misdiagnose between their symptoms. And now I really have a good perspective to how can like distinguish between those symptoms for pest or pathogens and abiotic stress or nutrient deficiency. And I would say for as a difficulty to collect this contents, it was like to make sure that the symptoms, because it was not my field, and these symptoms and pest or pathogen is the actual one that I'm suspicious. I was asking my friends that working in entomology or cell biology, plant pathology, and I was looking to their projects in greenhouse or field. And sometimes it was difficult to arrange the time to visit their projects, and some of the students, like I was looking the nematodes, and but I didn't receive after 1 week to see and record a video. But finally I find Camila was working on virus, but that time she didn't have like actual symptoms that time, and I was able just record, and I used her previous pictures, and yeah, but it was really good. Thank you. And in the following picture, you will see the common pest and pathogens at the Wooster campus or area. Hello, today I'm in greenhouse. Here is some my plants and apple, which is almost here, and I heard in this greenhouse, and I noticed there is some aphids, and then when I check the yellow card that usually in people in greenhouse they are putting in order to catch flying pests and some kind of fungus, and I was mostly sure that it's aphid, but I checked again too, like which insect or pest usually sticking on the yellow card, and it was yeah, wingless aphids, and the morphology looks like them, and usually they are affecting the plants by sucking the nutrient and water and sugar from the steam, or yeah, I don't think they can. Maybe they can. Yeah, I see some of them like the back of the leaves, and they can put eggs and have the production, and yeah, it can weaken the plants. Hello, I have this pot in my home, and I noticed like it is not growing well, and like some way like the plant is falling down, and I felt it has some problem, particularly could be kind of fungi pathogen. And then I just noticed it has kind of white like hypes, or is on the surface of the soil, and also the moisture of soil is more than enough, and I think it is, yeah, as I said, it's could be fungi, and I checked the symptoms, and I diagnosed it could be white mold, and it can happen as I researched in indoor plants, and also I saw some reports like people was talking about this one in the greenhouse and nurseries, and it can happen like in like perennial trees, nursery, and even like in tissue culture, media it can happen. And what else? The best way to remove is like putting it, because maybe mostly because of lack of light and too much watering. And the best way is managing the water and put on the sun, and also removing the soil, surface of soil. Hello everyone, today I'm in OARDC. Tonight in our campus. I came during day, but it was so raining and I was not able to record. And actually I interested suspicious to this tree because last year when I was walking at this area, and I found these leaves and it was so interesting for me, like it looks cute, and I was suspicious what's that, and I still keep it. And I came to see like to what was that, and I found the same symptoms. As you can see, is not, I don't think it's Japanese beetle or maybe larva, but as I was checking, the Japanese beetle is timing to 2 months. They are mature at this during like late June or July or August could be. And but I was digging the soil, but I didn't find the mature one. And as they can like see consume, eat the leaves, and it can reduce the like photosynthetic part of tree, and yeah, it is can they damage. And is as I said, it's ornamental tree or perennial tree. Hello everyone, today I'm in the tomato fields, which is, this tomato is a project of Dr. Francis lab, and he's working on bacterial blight spot, yeah, on tomato, and it's around the OARDC campus, this area, this field. And as you can see, there are some susceptible and resistant cultivars at this field, and it's like they are still young and juvenile stage, but the symptoms of bacterial like blight spot we can see on the leaves, and like they are a good example. And this disorder can get worse in when the is growing more, and particularly it can affect the fruit and make lesion on fruit, and the symptoms can spread on the other, like most of leaves, and it can reduce the photosynthesis system, I mean, and can reduce the production of the plant. Hello everyone, today I'm in the wheat program breeding facilities, which is located around the Wooster campus. And I would say I've heard my friend are working on this pathogen, which is, the name is Fusarium head blight, and it can make dirty the head of wheat. And what else I should say, yeah, it is yeah, can make infected the seeds, and it can reduce the marketability of the wheat, and also it's prevalent in other crops like corn, like barley, and etc. And if I'm walking in the field, like my plant can get like dirty with the black powder, and also the seeds, yeah, it's obviously showing this pathogen. And today is July 6th. I'm recording this video, and I can see some cultivars. It looks they are growing different cultivars to study for phenotyping, and some of them didn't infect with this pathogen. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you mosaic tobacco virus or MTV. And here is plant pathology department, Selby Hall, in OARDC campus, and here people are working on this virus. And unfortunately I found this pathogen late, but it is, yeah, that I can find. and they have sampled the actual plants that has shown symptoms last week, but here still the plants didn't show the symptoms, but I have some picture to show you how will be the symptoms. And the point that the plant after showing the symptoms will be kind of grow stunt, the first symptoms, and then the formation of leaf. Here I have some picture that I have asked them to send to me, and yeah, in several cases, as you can see here, it's showing several cases. And the next picture here is zucchini, but the symptoms is the same, and it cause reduce the marketability of cucumber or zucchini. And today is July 24, Wooster campus.